Look who decided to get her an appointment.
Like, I'm not gonna let her get in the way of me getting my hair.
Bonjour everyone, Madame Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick little video of how I do ponytails for natural hair. I do usually do it like if it's my hair or a little similar. Like y'all should know her from all of my kid tutorials. I wet it or I mold it with mousse and gel, and then I put them under the dryer so that it can dry and not be soaking wet. And okay, I don't know what happened, but I went to Arizona and came back, and Similac hair is just, yeah. So she barely had enough for a ponytail, so what I had to do was add some braided hair to it, make it into a bun, and I actually crocheted that hair onto a bun because her mom could not find any hair that matched her hair color. She's a number 4 to 8, low-key, depending on the brand. So I crocheted that ponytail and then took a little piece and wrapped it around, and I'm taking these off real slow because I don't want to mess up the mold I made. I also I forgot what I put on her edges for edge control, probably Silk Elements, which is what I usually use. And then I am going to finish off her hair with a little bit of shine spray. It's actually a heat protectant, but it acts as a shine spray too. It's by Janae Mickles. Because like I said, she has like number 4 hair color, and that hair color just be looking ashy. So I did spray a little shine spray to give her, you know, a little shine. And I typically like to do natural ponytails like this with the natural texture showing because I feel like it's best. It's no heat. It was really fast, really simple. I mean, it's heat from the dryer, but that ain't no direct heat. That ain't really nothing. So yeah, that was it. Real quick, real simple. Child, it was a struggle getting that hair even into a ponytail, but it's okay. We're gonna get her together. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and TTYL.